Well, hello there, Kipsters. It's me, Miss Feather, coming to tell you that it is Teacher Appreciation Week and that you should definitely head on over to the Student Lounge. Well, in case you do not know how to get to the Student Lounge, I am here to show you the way. So, as you see, I have my Google Classrooms up here. Well, I might be hacking into the science teacher's Google Classroom account. So I'm seeing Miss Parker's Google account, and she has her classes for Notre Dame, University of Illinois, University of Michigan, Science Olympiad, and then she sees Class of 2026, the Student Lounge. Dun dun dun. So she clicks on that to get to the Student Lounge, okay? And then on the Student Lounge, similar to your other Google Classrooms, you're going to see announcements, you're going to see questions, you're going to see posts on the stream, okay? So you always want to be on the stream. But different from your other classes, this is a fun Google Classroom. Yes, you heard that right. This is a fun Google Classroom. So the lovely Mr. Kohler is going to be posting questions daily. Here's the question of the week. And then you go ahead and you comment on that post. So right here you would add a class comment. I see some of our fellow Kipsters like Jasna and Brittany and Shanila, Cyrus, Miss Pickard, Miss Tate, Alina, Rakaya, Maria, Layla. All of these Kipsters have already commented, but I am waiting on about 75 or so of you to get on the Student Lounge. All right. So again, I'm just going to briefly review. From your Google Classes, you are going to find the classroom that says Class of 2026. It will take you then to the Student Lounge. You're going to make sure you're on the stream, and then you are going to review all of the posts that we see and comment to the questions above. All right, Kipsters, I cannot wait to see more of your names on the Student Lounge. Goodbye.